We're going to start with the arms. So right hand forward first. We go 1, 2, turn them over, 3, 4 on the shoulders, 5, 6 to the head, 7, 8 to the hips, 1, 2, bottom, 3, 4, wiggle, 5, 6, 7, and now jump to the other side, 8. We start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember to do your tick-tock hips the whole way through. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Over, shoulders, head, hips, bottom, wiggle, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and jump. 1, 2, over, over, shoulder, shoulder, head, head, hip, hip, bottom, bottom, wiggle, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,